I'm running for an election where the person contending, the person who the election was rigged for, has no certificate. Yes. He has no primary school certificate. But under Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration, the electoral law says that certificate forgery is not a crime. It's not a crime.
They remove it. So, meaning that I cannot go and forge certificates.
All of us go and forge certificates. It is not a yardstick for you. Just go and forge certificates. All of us go and forge. Forge certificate is not a yardstick for contesting election. This is the danger that we have entered right now. And also the fact that this present regime wants to make sure they decimate everything that has to do with opposition. It is unacceptable. We will ensure that that does not happen. This is why we are here.
That's why we are here.
That's why we are here.
Gentlemen, you see, we see the door for fellow Nigerians. We see the.
We have come to have a come to Jesus conversation. The road is done.
Yes.
And I am sure.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So the police were gentle today. There was no tear gassing. I guess because Atiku was around, Tinubu was around, the opposition leaders were around. Maybe now why they not tear gas us. It's only us caught. Before tear gas was no good for our eyes. But ladies and gentlemen, we did our best and we are still here.
Congo. Unless I was 9 years old, as of the time that Tinubu said he graduated from Chicago University. How can a 9-year-old child graduate from a university? Is it possible? Tinubu is a complete criminal that nobody knows his origin. He's the first transgender president Nigeria has. His name is Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Bola is a woman's name. His original name is Yakini. Let him go and look for his father, where he originated from. Come to this country and be destroying Nigeria. If truly is a true democrat, he will not be doing the evil he's doing. Tinubu doesn't want any other opposition in a ballot paper. Whether he like it or not, he's going back to Lagos. He continue borrowing money and be financing Lagos. He has borrowed over 156 trillion since he came into power for 3 years.
More than what other presidents of
Buhari borrowed 83 trillion with subsidy, and Tinubu is borrowing now without subsidy. So he should explain to Nigeria where he's taking the money to. You understand me? Is they using it to service his anus? And they say they have money. Why are they coming to loot Nigeria? You understand? So they are destroying this country. Tinubu is not a human being that anybody should follow in this country. If he's a human being, he should think about the welfare of the Nigerian citizens.
So what do you think Nigerians should do now?
Nigeria, we want one good president. Peter Obi Akwankwaso is the solution to this country.
That's what you want.
That's what I want.
And more importantly, to support.
Have you heard everybody say? He said,
yes,
Alpha, as you can see, we did Abuja here, we did protest guard. You see, me I no lie you. What you just happen now, me I no like her. All this already now, politics all of me they play, me I no go lie you. Yes, Dino Malaya dey here now, waiting they find. All of them dey there. He sit down to it out of motor go dey pursue me. Waiting make her dey pursue me come up for motor. Nobody form a guy for protest guard. All of them are selfish shit. They don't want to fight for me. I no go lie you. Me I no go lie you. Dino Malaya, if you no go pursue me come up for motor, we are start for motor make a camera. He pursue me. You are playing politics with that. Yes. No man. Where the killing dey happen in Jos, in everywhere. Where Dino Malaya, he go Jos, go make video. No. Where the killing dey happen in everywhere. Where them dey? All of them dey here now. Call the wine us for here. Like say the unity. Everybody now they fight for their own parties. So I no go lie you. If you sure for Dino Malaya because he dey here now, if you sure for him, make him lead protest against the insecurity wey dey happen for the country and challenge am. Missing dey here. He dey here. I go video and now when I see and say he dey here as a proof. I go video now. Make him lead protest against the insecurity. Now police all of them call they play. Now to go they whine me. You go they pursue me come up for to make I go video and they call. Party system. Like I said, now some of them be for here. See the way people yakpa for here. So I know they against that one. You hear me, but when he reach those protests against the insecurity, shall we go see all these people wait there here? The answer is no. Yes, everybody know they fight for political parties. Now waiting here and see for here be this. Now I be the thing, you know, I swear me I no go lie you. Yes. Now waiting I can't wait here and see for this protest now be this. People yakpa for here, but this insecurity wey dey happen in the country. People they die, but we no go see now only social media we go see people talk about the insecurity, but they no go mad glad. Just people they die. everywhere they die. Yes, we don't want Tinubu, we don't go better for him. But the thing is that the energy wey we dey use, they do the protest of this one now today. We dey use the same energy. Do this, go church or go everywhere where this security happen for the country. We are the winners.